Okay, greetings from Philippines. Welcome, friends and guests. Thank you for attending the webinar now. We welcome you. We have guests from, of course, all over the world. And the reason you are here is because you would like to know how these giant sites like Facebook, YouTube, and other giant sites that you know are making money. Now, the good news is you can have a chance now to have a piece of share from what these big companies or giant sites are making money. So in 10 years ago, it was impossible. Now it is possible. So before I move on, because since I'm here in the Philippines, I just want to share with you some trivia here. So as everybody knows, Facebook is almost 11-year-old social networking site, and they made around $30 billion in sales as of 2013. Facebook has around 1.3 billion free users, and it's increasing every day. Now, this is the fact. 50 to 55% out of 1.3 billion free users on Facebook are just playing games. 2 to 5% are there to do business. Others, they do selfie, post status, comments, and upload photos and videos. Now, the fact remains that we have 38 million internet users in the country right now. And out of 38 million, 30 million Filipinos are on Facebook. Philippines is now being ranked as number 6 Facebook user in the world. Of course, Candy Crush Saga earning $2 to $3 million a day for now. And Clash of Clans is earning more than $6 million a day. So how they are making money? Through in-game purchases. Okay? So of course we do also have this avatar game that is running up and running on Apple and Google. And this company is earning more or less $700,000 in just 8 months on Apple and Google. So this figure, guys, is changing every now and then. So this just to give you a hint how these free social sites or free giant sites are making money. The fact that these are all free. We all use Facebook, we all use Google and YouTube, and yet these giant sites are making money. Now, when I share with you that this is the opportunity for you to take a piece of share of how much these giant sites can literally give it to you, plus a rewarding program. So let's move on. I'm gonna share with you these new social sites that has been created for more than years. And I'm gonna introduce to you first who created and developed this social site. Presenting Smart Media, the future has arrived. The company behind the success of Smart Media is Mr. David Martin. The company was incorporated in 2007 and launched in 2009. David Martin, Smart Media founder and CEO, designed and developed for over 15 years a banking platforms, a fraud security system. Now, this is a very good news. There are so many companies that are listed on Fortune 500. The good news is the goal of the company was to become the first Fortune 500 technology company to provide its global members with a financial opportunity. So that is the goal of David Martin. Now meet Mr. Ken Roth. Ken Roth is the Smart Media CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and he has over 35 years of senior management experience ranging from Chief Technology Officer to Chief Executive Officer in several prestigious US firms. Held several VP positions for well-known celebrity companies such as Empire Research Group and Business Breakthroughs International founded by Chet Holmes and Tony Robbins. He is responsible for operational aspect of all things about Yobson. Now, as an internet and online marketers, I want to emphasize that this company is turning 6 years old. And as an internet marketer, I've seen a lot of companies, technology, computer, internet-related companies that has never been uh, run or up and running in the last 3 years. I've seen companies like they're just there for 1 year. The last that I saw was 3 years that they just ran away. Take note, our company is turning 6 years old. And that's the reason why we are introducing to you the owner of the company, plus of course Mr. Kenron, which is our CEO. And I was surprised and to tell you that we were not only registered in the Nevada states, we were also given this certificate in good status. Any company can be registered in one state and then they can be gone tomorrow, right? But we were not like there. We were also given this certificate in good status. And that is one thing that is made me personally made me wow. Okay? Now let's move on. Yobsen. Yobsen is your own stands for your own branded social network. Okay? It's the world's first and only revenue sharing social network. You and I, we believe that we are on Facebook, right? But have you been rewarded? Have you been rewarded by Facebook by adding friends or by playing the games that are available on Facebook? Or have you found any sites that you have been literally being rewarded? So what is Jobsen? If you know anyone who falls into one or more of these categories, like who use social networks, play games online, shops online, wants to be educated online, likes the chance to win prizes, likes to be rewarded, do you know of anyone who wants to be or fall into these categories? Yes, right? So let's bring them into Yobsen. So what is Yobsen? Yobsen, just like any other social site, you can use it for free. And once you get it for free, of course, you will be rewarded with social points. And we're going to talk about it later on. And this is the only social network that a company, Smart Media Development Corp, has given the right, quote unquote, right, for you and I, or any institution, or any company, or any organization to buy it. So they literally given anyone the right to own a social network. Okay, so we're going to discuss two things here: becoming a member and becoming a social network owner. Let's talk about being a free user. So once you become a free user, you will be given your own Yobsen.com. Okay, so when you refer your own Yobsen.com with your username.yobsen.com, you will be rewarded with 30 social points. So if you bring in your friends, 1,000 of your friends to Yobsen, you'll be rewarded with three. How much would it be? 30 points times 1,000, so you get 3,000 social points, right? So what are you gonna do with the points? So there's so many ways where you can spend the social points and earn the social points. One of these is by adding people, just like what we are doing in other social sites, but this time you will be rewarded with points. The points will be given at 30 points, and important note, only Yobsen owners. Owners means you buy it. Can have a free member network. And any free members referred by other free members become part of the Yobsen owners free member network. So I'm just going to discuss that with you later. Again, to reiterate, once you become a free user of Yobsen, you'll be given your own Yobsen.com. You start referring friends. Every time you refer one friend, that will give you 30 social points. What are you going to do with a social point? You can start redeeming items from our reward store. Yes, you hear me right. We have a reward store. The only social network, when you keep on adding friends, you will be rewarded with social points wherein you can redeem items from our very own reward store. Okay? And there's so much more. You can also use your social points to dress up the avatars. You can also use your social points to our very own jobs and games. And of course, in Malaysia, we have these vouchers that because they have around 500, if I'm not mistaken, more than 500,000 jobs and users are now in Malaysia. So that's why they have these physical products that is available on the reward store. Now, let's talk about prices. So when you click any one of us, whether you are free users or you're Yobsen owner, when you click this daily button, you'll get a chance to win one social point or more. The blue button will give you a raffle to win gadget and a random gadget and cash on a monthly raffle prize. So for since June 2015, over 70,000 have been paid in cash with countless of netbooks, iPad, Nintendo, and much, much more. So think about it, guys. How long have you been using your favorite social sites? why not this time be rewarded? Okay? By using Yobsen, you can have a chance to win gadgets and cash. Now, I have mentioned that we have our very own Yobsen games. In our desktop right now, you can see around 8 Yobsen games. Out of 8 games, 4 already are on Apple and Google Play Store. Now take note, out of our 8 games, which is 4 already on Apple and Google, we have one game which is Bubble Champion. That is the company. The company is conducting a weekly prize winner. So we have some winners in the Philippines, in US, in Africa, in Malaysia, and so many places. And meaning, example, if I refer myoption.com to Sylvia and I don't play games, so this bubble champion being played by Sylvia, when she becomes the lucky winner of that week by just playing bubble champion, whatever prize she got, whatever item she got, I'll get as well. So that's the reason I'm showing you on this illustration the March 1 Borja from Philippines won this Blue Cash Dash Music. So because Timotea is the referrer, so that's the reason you refer your Yobsen.com other than social points. When that friends play games, then that's the point, and that's the reason when you keep on referring and referring your jobs, and uh, the more refers you have, the more chance for you to become a lucky prize winner. So congratulations again to all the winners, our weekly raffle and bubble champion. Let's move on. So free users, you get a free access of the following. We have the Smart Library. It's free, guys. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything. Just use it for free. And this is all in video tutorials. So we have hundreds of topics related to internet and social networking. Okay. We have also uh, my university. So topics from academic subjects. Okay, we have also some serious topics from Yale and Stanford. So guys, this is not taken from YouTube. This is done and exclusively owned by Smart Media Development Corporation, PCOM. Okay, so just click and you'll see thousands of topics related on academic. We have also software. So what Smart Media did they pick a few softwares? Usually our desktop or our regular laptop has only one antivirus. So what Smart Media did, they put these few great softwares and then they put it inside the Yobsen so that all of us can download it for free, and they were able to scan it 40 times plus. Yes. So making sure that when you download it from your computer, your your computer is free from any viruses. What else? Imagine if you are in any site right now. Imagine if you wanna watch a movie, what are you gonna do? You're gonna type either youtube.com, right? So this time you're not gonna go outside. You have to look inside your social network. There is what we have more than 10 top search engine. You just click one of those and then start typing on the search box item and click go. So that leads to your destination. So it saves time, right? What else? Of course, we have the smart mail system. This smart mail allows us to upload up to 200 MB, and you can click this in just one click. This can be done in one click, sent to individual to a group. Individually, whatever you send, whether it's a video or text note, they're gonna receive it individually from their inbox inside the smart mail system. Okay? And that's the reason we have lots of Yobsen owners who are using these features of Yobsen. What else? You can watch movies. Yes, you can watch under the fantastic videos, education, and everything. So, as I move on, okay, as a Yobsen owner, you have a chance. You can customize before your free users. Select any of the available folders. The default would be the videos that a Yobsen owner uploaded. Okay? So that is the becoming a Yobsen owner. That's the benefit. Okay? What else? That's the past. That's the smart chip. If Twitter gets tweets, Facebook status, Google Plus, Google. So we have also the Smart Chip. Okay, this is where you're gonna post picture, links, and videos. Okay. We also have this video and chat conference as well. So you can start exploring it. And then of course, this is we have 11 layouts. So a Yobsen owner can pick from the 11 layouts. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so you have your Yobsen.com. You get a chance to win our weekly raffle. And if you love to play games, just keep playing Bubble Champion. And the more referrals you have, the more chances for you to be a lucky winner. You never know, right? And of course, that's we have our games. So we were privileged because we've been part of the billion-dollar industry that's happening now on Apple and Google. So that's it. So we have our own Yobsen Games, the only revenue sharing company with games in these stores. Okay, so while Yobsen users are spending social points, remember how are you gonna spend your social points? Remember that? Either you claim items from the reward store or dress up your avatar and Yobsen games. When your free users or Yobsen users are spending social points to look great, to dress up their avatar, Yobsen owners or the social network owner will be earning real money on these purchases. Yes, that's right. You hear me right. Now, Yobsen owners gets the branding. So we're done with the Yobsen, how Yobsen can reward us. So this time, how are you gonna buy it? What is the benefit to becoming a Yobsen owner? So you all get all of these. So you have the dynamic bar branding wherein you can put an unlimited websites of yours inside your social network. And then you have also your name in lights. You have also this top site sponsor tabs. So as a Yobsen owner, you also have these fantastic videos and branded websites and branded videos. And then we have so many more for you when you become or when you decide to become a Yobsen owner. So one of these is you can customize your login screen. So what are you gonna see if you're gonna type www.facebook.com? What are you gonna see? Of course, we're gonna see Facebook on the upper left side, upper left corner, right? And then followed by the username and password, right? So what are you gonna see? Of course, it's the same. So the 1.3 billion users is gonna see the same login screen. So same thing as a Yobsen owner. You can customize your login screen. If you own 10 companies or different companies, you can customize it, and the moment you change it and save it, the entire computer of the entire user will change right away. Sorry guys, I'm here right now in a coffee shop, so you hear some noise. Okay, so it all starts on the desktop. Because right now you can download the Yobsen mobile on Android. Right now we are on Android. So you can choose your menu style and add your logo, and choose your tagline and load your own background. This can be done from your desktop. And then the third one, you can choose from one of the beautiful options that are included. So this is how you're going to do it from your desktop. And this is going to end on how you want to look at them from your mobile. Enjoy the great results on your phone or tablet. Okay? So you can customize it from your desktop and ends up on your mobile. Now, paid members get to brand. When your free members use Yobsen, they see your branding. In real time, you'll be able to get the their name, the database, it's in real time, username, email, phone, city, country, and IP address, and your own branded social network. So as a Yobsen owner, this is what you're gonna benefit from. So change your life today. How much will it cost you to become a Yobsen owner? Again, it's either you become a free user or become a Yobsen owner. It doesn't matter. But when you decide, we have different packages. Okay, we have $50. We have $125, and we have $250, and the premium or the Pro Plus is $600, and we have a one-time admin charge of $5. Okay, so that's it. So it's a one-time, lifetime. Now, on top of that, you're going to be able to get your 3 replicated websites, your own branded social network, your marketing sales page, and your back office where you're going to uh, check all the database, the users, the visitors, and everything that is happening in your website. Okay? Of course, you'll be able to get the database of your entire free users. You'll be able also to enjoy the basic advanced training, mentoring, and coaching. And once in a while, we are conducting a recognition, promotion, freebies, and much more. So that is what you paid for. So whatever package you choose from, except the $50, okay, except the $50 because the $50 lasted for 90 days. So you have to update it to the next packages. So 125, 250, and $600, there is no time frame except the $50. So whatever packages you pick, okay, you'll still enjoy this benefits. So the opportunity to have a global business is only a bonus. So it's up to you. So whether you do a business or not, you will be able to enjoy this business opportunity. So becoming a Yotsen owner, it's a one-time lifetime, no monthly or yearly maintenance. Now, what are you gonna enjoy when you start doing the business in Yotsen? So we have 3 kinds of income here. You'll be able to enjoy the mobile games revenue, sharing, and social points revenue. That's the reason I share with you how much this gaming company is making money. So this time you're gonna take a piece, you're gonna have a piece of share of this mobile games revenue. That's the first in the world social points revenue. Okay, and you'll be also enjoying the advertisement profit sharing income, the network building income. So you choose. You want the income 1 and 2. You want only one income, or you want the 3 income. So you choose. So you decide, right? Right? Because becoming an option owner and building a business is a choice. So let's move on. Let's talk about these 3 incomes. So this is what we have discussed. So this is Kim. She was earning like 120,000 a day, which I believe is, it's 800,000 right now. And Clash of Clans is making $600 million. Candy Crush is making 2 million to $3 million a day. So you can also check all of this every now and then. Okay? So imagine if Candy Crush Saga paid you 25% of their revenue. So you would be earning like $12,000 every day. You just do the math, right? So let's talk about further how you can make money by using Yopsi. Now, you earn 25% of the company revenue when your team members purchase gems from the Apple or Google stores. For example, 2,000 gems, because gems is the currency being used by the gaming company. All apps on Mostly all apps on Apple and Google are free. Most, some are you have to pay for it. So that's the reason Apple and Google are making money. So for this scenario, example, 2,000 gems for almost $2 from one free user. Okay, that's only for one free user. So of course, the standard rate for Apple and Google, they get 30% of that amount, which is 0.59 cents. Company revenue will earn $1.4. Now, because you are a Yobsen owner, 70% goes to Smart Media, right? Now, what Smart Media will do, he will share the 25% revenue to you as the Yobsen owner, which is 34 cents, just from one producer. Imagine, guys, if you have 100 producers, that is $34, right? What about 1,000 producers? So that is $340. So if I am a Yobsen owner, I refer Sylvia. Okay, I refer Sylvia. And Sylvia invited 1,000 of her friends. I don't know that 1,000 people, right? And that 1,000 friends of Sylvia invited their own friends and their friends and their friends. So all of these are part of my social network. Whether I know them or not, they are my free users. But on this example, imagine 1,000 free users is $340. But if we have 1,000 free users, right? So, do you think that 1,000 users will stop with this kind of social network that they know they will be rewarded, that they know that they can have a chance to win gadget or cash? Did you think Facebook stops? Facebook is 11 years right now. Do you think Facebook stops? No, right? So Facebook didn't stop, right? Okay. And Facebook keeps on advertising. Why? Because the more people they have on Facebook, the more people are gonna upload a lot of stuff on Apple and Google, the more money for them. But they are not sharing the revenue to the user. But smart media does. Okay. Next. Okay, I have to mute your microphone. Hang on, guys. Okay, thank you. Now, so remember this, okay? So I literally could make $340, or maybe Sylvia, okay? If Sylvia is a Yogsen owner, Sylvia could make $340, right? Now, let's do this. Let's move on. As a professional Yogsen owner, meaning the premium package, meaning the $600. When you sponsor other Yogsen owners by selling Yogsen packages and they earn in-game revenue income, you earn 100% matching bonus. Yobsen owners can sponsor unlimited Yobsen owners. Imagine if you sponsor 10 Yobsen owners. If I will be able to sponsor 10 times of Sylvia, I will be earning. So if Sylvia earned $340, if I have 10 Yobsen owners making $340, whatever they earn, the company's Martinja is also gonna give me 100% of that income. So 10 Yobsen owners times $340, I would be making $3,400. Is that a good money for you? Did you sell it? No. There are free users who keeps buying gems, right? So you just earned $3,400 income. Now, Yobsen social points revenue. So this is a no-brainer. I mean, this is the first time that I saw something like this. As a professional Yogsen owner, when your free users in your network use social points to dress up their avatar, you will literally make money. The first revenue was people starting spending money to buy gems on Apple and Google, right? But this time, your entire network is gonna use their points to spend to dress up their avatar. And whenever they do that, Yobsen owner will make money. So in this scenario, we have a 360 social points. So that gives $1 income to the Yobsen owner. Imagine if you have 100 people in your network shopping, dressing up their avatar. So that is 137.5 income to you. Imagine that. Come to think of that, they didn't spend any money. They just keep on adding friends. They just keep on clicking the daily button. They just keep on playing our Yobsen games. And this is our accumulated social points. And because they want to feel good, they want to feel great, they start purchasing a dress and, to dress up their avatar. They want to feel good, to look good. Whenever your entire free network is doing that, you're making money, right? So if we have 100% in-game revenue, we also have 100% matching bonus for these social points. So imagine a Yobsen owner can sponsor unlimited Yobsen owner, right? So imagine if we sponsor 10 Yobsen owners, making 137.5. 137 times 10 Yobsen owner, 1,370 Yobsen owners. $1,370 to you. Okay? That is another. I mean, this is literally mind blowing. So it's up to you. How many Yobsen owners can you literally can sponsor? It's up to you. So it's a choice, right? It's a choice. Now, this is just some of the screenshots of the in-game revenue, real time, and of course the social points revenue. Now, let's talk about the number two, which is the advertisement income. Now, can you introduce one free user a day? When I mentioned that Facebook earns $30 billion dollars more or less in 2013, okay, this is because, and some people doesn't know about it, they don't know about it. It's because of the advertisement that we all see on the right side. So we call it pay-per-click or pay-per-impression. Facebook, the site owner knows whatever site it is, the site owners knows who are seeing the advertisement and who are clicking. That's why we have the pay per impression and pay per click. The site owner literally charging the advertiser twice, pay per impression cost and pay per click. Now, that's the reason Smart Media Development Corp is the only social network that is rewarding the community and offers a shared revenue program. So imagine if you could introduce one free member every day, that would give you 30 free members, right? Your 30 friends. Because you share your option, your 30 friends go out and share with 10 friends each. That 30 friends of yours becomes 300, right? Add your 30 friends, you have now 330 free members. Now imagine if you can earn $2 per month on each free member. How? When they click on the ads. Can you see this ad? So if Facebook ads is on the right side, the Yobsen ads is on the bottom right. You see that this one on the bottom right. Okay? This is where the paid ads up and running. When your free user click on these ads, Yobsen owner makes money. So $2 times 330 will give you $660 monthly. Although this is a daily income, so you can check all of this from your back office, which is the Smart Media Technologies. Now, let's say only half of them, only $1. You earn $1 from this 330, not bad, right? $330. How much did you buy for the premium? $600, right? Or 605 because of the one time $5 are choose. So 605. What if this happened in 1 year and you are forever a Yobsen owner? Not bad, right? With all of this, with the potential to make money, why not, right? So this is a no-brainer for us, especially if you understand what is happening and how much value that you can literally buy a one ebook, one coaching program. This is really a mind-blowing and a no-brainer amount. Imagine $660. And I don't think your 330 friends will stop, right? Or 330 free users. Of course, they will keep on inviting people and invite people and invite people. That's how Facebook started. They didn't start with 1 billion. They started with a few of them, hundreds of them, a million of them, and now they became a 1.3 billion. And we will be surprised that they will gonna announce to the world that, hey guys, we have reached 2 billion free users. Why? Because the more free users you have, the more money they will make. But this time, you becoming a Yobsen owner, you are taking 75% of the income revenue coming from the advertisement. That's it. That's it. Okay? So it's up to you guys. So it's one of the income streams, and this is really huge. Now, what if anyone from your free members or free users would like to upgrade or become a Yobsen owner like you? It's possible, right? You only know 30 of your friends, and they all go out with 10 friends and their 10 friends and friends, and then one day you wake up one day and then you got it thousands, 100,000. And any one of them can become a Yobsen owner like you. So we'll get now the other income stream. Let's talk about the big bucks here. Every packages that you saw has an equivalent direct bonus. So $50 you get 20, 125 $25, 250 package you get $50, and $600 package you get $150 direct bonus. Imagine a $600 package sales with everything that I said in the previous slide. What if you will be able to talk to four of your trusted friends? They also see the potential of having these Yobsen as their own social network, plus doing the business. Imagine four of them bought the same package of $600, so $150 times four, $600. So money back already, right? But there's no limit to the number of people that you can personally sponsor. You could have as many as you can. It's up to you guys. So sky is the limit here. Okay? So that's one income stream. Now let's talk about another income. All jobs and owners are placed in the team. We call it the team commission. Paid to unlimited depth no matter who does the sale in your team. Only two teams to build. The left team and the right team. Okay? Maximum income. Ready guys? So far this is the highest in the industry. The highest. Ready? The company is giving you an opportunity to earn $50,000. Not a month, but a week. A week, guys, a week. You just need to sponsor two Yobsen owners in any package, and you can have a chance to earn that. So how does it work? Points are accumulated through the following sources. All packages that you saw, 50, 125, 250, and 600 has equivalent points. We call it commissionable volume. Okay? So for all packages upgrades, a dollar sale is equals to one commissionable volume. Now, if you earn more than $100 in a given month, though I said it's a one-time lifetime, yes, a monthly subscription of $30 is automatically be deducted from your commissions. So whenever anyone from your team earns $100 on each given month, they pay $30. When the following month they start earning $1,000, they still pay $30. The following month they have zero sales or less than 100 sales, they're not gonna pay any 30. They're not gonna pay $30. So meaning we will only be paying $30 when and if we are making $100 over and above $100. Not that, right? And it would give 30 commissionable volume in the binary tree, this left and right. This is what we call binary tree. And $30 will be given to the person who paid the $30. The company is going to reward them for 300 social points per upsell. Now, how much is the team commission? 900 commissionable volume or points equals one cycle equals $30. How are we going to arrive these 900 points? Only two computations, 600 on the left plus 300 on the right equals 900 points or one cycle or $50 to you, or 300 points on the left plus 600 on the right, 900 points or one cycle or $50. How does it work? So this is the example. This is your sponsor, the yellow one, and this is you. So you sponsor the green, Tom and Anne. So this is what we call team commission. You're not gonna do this business alone. So that we always say this business is for you, but not by yourself. There you have a team who will help you build your business, right? So this is how it looks like. You only sponsor Tom and Anne, right? And Tom sponsors Zal and Raj, and Anne sponsored Chan and Almi. And your sponsor, the one who sponsored you in the business, sponsored someone, and she puts Debbie. Okay? We call it spillover, and so on. So that's what we call spillover. Now, how does it work? We're going to show you something. Imagine, for the purpose of this presentation, imagine everyone in this organization they are all coming with 600 professional class package, right? So this would give 450 points to you, whoever does the same. How does it work? Look at this. So every one of them, because they are all in 600 package, so that gives you 450 points. Okay, so let's get the total, the total points from your left and right. So you got 1,800 points on the left and 3,150 points on the right. So imagine how you'll get $50 if the system can find 600 on the left plus 300 on the right, or vice versa. Then the company is going to give you $50 each. So look at this: 300 on the left, 300 on the right, one side, 300 on the left, 600 on the right. So on this scenario, we were able to get a cycle of 5. So 5 times 50, you get $250. That is on top of your direct bonus. So what is the maximum? $50,000 per week. Okay, so that's what we call it, cycle bonus. Now, this 3-level matching bonus is only given to all Pro Plus. Matching bonus are paid on the team commission. Remember the team commission? $50, $50, $50, $50. Okay? And you should be on a Pro Plus or $600 package. And you will get paid at the 3-level. 3-level means you sponsor your friend, and your friend sponsor A, and A sponsor B. Something like that. Okay? So how does it work? In my scenario earlier, If I sponsor Sylvia, okay, I'll give a scenario. So easy. If I sponsor Sylvia, Sylvia is my direct. Okay? Sylvia is my direct. All your directs considered your level 1. Now the company said they're gonna pay me. They're gonna pay. Uh, they're gonna pay me on level 1 matching bonus every time my direct, my level 1, which is Sylvia in my example. Every time Sylvia makes $50, they're gonna pay me 20% or $10. When I have a total of 6 Yobsen owners in any package. Okay, so every time Sylvia earns $50, $50 Sylvia I earn $10, $50 Sylvia I earn $10. So what if I have 10 Yobsen owners, right? So this income will only be given to us if we are on a Pro Plus or $600 package and if we have a 6 direct Yobsen owners, okay? Now, if Sylvia sponsored Lothar is my level 2, which is the level 1 of Sylvia. So the company said, the company is going to give me 20% of all the team commission happening in my entire level 2 if I have additional 6, so which is a total of 12. Okay? So every time Lothar makes $50, the company is gonna pay me $10, $10, $10, $10, $10, $10. So if Sylvia has so many level 1, which is my level 2, and all of them are active, making $50. So how many $10 should I be giving? Should I be receiving, right? Why? Because I am qualified. I have a total of 12 directs. Okay, in any package, guys. Okay, so Lothar sponsored Cherry. Cherry is my level 3. Cherry is level 1 of Lothar, and Cherry is level 2 of Sylvia. So all my level 3, whenever they make $50 in the team commission, the company is gonna pay me $10 or $5 if I'm gonna add 2 more. So a total of 14 directs for me to enjoy the level 1, level 2, level 3 matching bonus. So every time Cherry makes $50 in the team commission, the company is gonna give me $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. Okay? So that's how that works. Now let's do some um, programming. So how are we gonna get our commission? Commission can be sales commission are paid out weekly. Advertising commission are paid out weekly as long as the commission amount is more than 50. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna have a training for you once you sign up and decided to become a Yotsun owner. Okay? So e-wallet is a free online account setup for every paid members. How are you gonna withdraw your money? Bank to bank, which you will be charged by your bank, a wiring charge fee from the Bank of America or the Bank of Smart Media to your bank. Okay, and it will take like 3 to 5 working days, excluding holidays and weekends. Or you can also use your money from your e-wallet to buy product voucher. It's a 9-digit number that you can use to enroll someone in the system to become a Yonson owner. Or you can also apply for your smart media debit card. You can also put your money from your e-wallet to your debit card. So what is this business that we are talking about of $600? No inventory, no delivery, no collection, no limits of financial growth, and no employees, no loss. This is simply a marketing platform, okay? Pioneering projects because take note guys, there's no such thing like this. And you are pioneering if you decide to work with us, build your works and business in any parts of the world you are in right now. So this is just to inspire you. These are some of the few people that inspired us that they became a 5 to 6 figure income earner in less than 30 days. So these are some of the screenshots from their back office. So if you're gonna see, it's more on the cycle bonus, right? Remember, cycle bonus is $50,000 a week. Okay, so 26 days, 5 figure income earner. And we also have this one from Cambodia, 5 figure income earner in 18 days. Okay? So you decide to become a free user or a option owner, it doesn't matter. So as like what Tony Robbins said, are you ready to get connected to your future? So it's in your moments of decision your destiny is shaped by Tony Robbins. Like I always say, who we are today is because of the choices we made in the past. We cannot buy back past, right? But who we want to become is because of the choices we will make today. So make the choices today. Okay? So thank you guys for attending this webinar. And please go back to the person who showed you this presentation. And see you around. God bless.